Welcome to our Motherboard Showdown. Today, we're diving deep into a comparison between the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi and the MSI Z790A Max Wi-Fi motherboards. Both of these boards support the latest Intel processors and come packed with features, but they cater to different types of users. Let's explore their specifications and see which one stands out for your gaming or professional needs. Let's start with the chipset. The MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi features the B760 chipset, which is designed for gamers and general users, offering a good balance of performance and affordability. On the other hand, the MSI Z790A Max Wi-Fi boasts the Z790 chipset, which provides advanced features and better overclocking capabilities, making it ideal for enthusiasts and professionals who demand more from their hardware. Next up is PCIe Support. The B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi supports PCIe 4.0, which is sufficient for most gaming needs. However, the Z790A Max Wi-Fi takes it a step further with PCIe 5.0 support, allowing for faster data transfer rates and better performance with the latest graphics cards and storage solutions. This makes the Z790 a more future-proof option for high-performance builds. Lastly, let's discuss Wi-Fi technology. The MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi comes equipped with Wi-Fi 6E, providing excellent connectivity for gaming and streaming. In contrast, the MSI Z790A Max Wi-Fi features the latest Wi-Fi 7 technology, which offers even faster speeds and improved performance in crowded networks. This makes the Z790 a better choice for users who rely heavily on wireless connectivity. In conclusion, both the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi and the MSI Z790A Max Wi-Fi motherboards offer great features for their respective audiences. The B760 is a fantastic value for gamers looking for solid performance, while the Z790 is geared towards those who want the best technology available. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.